No, this is not a hangover. This is just the morning after some mild heat exhaustion and sunburn on my back. Not feeling the best. I said farewell to my new friends. Thanks for everything, especially giving me some laughs and fun and filling up my water for me so I could make it to the next place. I wasn't feeling great, but I'm glad we had our night together. It meant a lot to me. There's no protection from the sun. I just had to stop for... I slung my hammock up and had a little nap. I don't think I slept well enough last night with the discomfort from my sunburn and all that. I'm still not feeling the best, but I think it's fading, getting a little better. 2:30 in the afternoon, I decided to set up my camp. I've gone 10 kilometers today, 12 kilometers. Why does my body want to sweat? It makes me cold in the morning. Maybe I'd be smart enough. Gonna miss this little campsite. Thank you, campsite, for helping me recover from my heat exhaustion. Got a lovely sleep last night. It's a beautiful morning and I feel all refreshed. Fresh like a little baby because I just used baby wipes. Safe travels. My solar panel, I didn't secure it on with the carabiners. One of the cables fell out and went in my cassette. over there. This cave is massive. It's really cool. I guess it's worth leaving my bike for. I've dealt with all four elements: water, wind, obviously earth, the hills, and the fire being the sun the other day. Guess this will have to do. It's a little grass is kind of long, but I guess I'll have to deal with that. It's a beautiful spot. So I'm in sort of a wet area, so the clegs and the midges are terrible here. And all that wind is gone now. Anyhow, I'm gonna hang up right here. The midges are in here with me. They came off on all over my clothes when I got in there. You can see them.